Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel on what is a little bit of a different video, really, today. I've had a parcel delivered. It's sort of, I don't know, A5 size, and it is something that I have wanted for the channel for a little while. My friend Steph from iDriver Classic has one of these. And a few other people I saw at the Festival of the Unexceptional had one of these. So I thought I would splash the cash for the benefit of the channel and for your viewing benefit, and get myself a gimbal. Here it is. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. I have pre-opened it because I was waiting for a few different things to come in the mail from the post person for the TT. I looked at these recently. They were, I don't know, 200 and something quid. I thought, crikey, I'm not buying one of those. And then recently, when we were at the World of Meadowhall, Mr. John Coupland and I saw that these had been reduced to £135. I got to Argos, I got to the payment screen, and they were out of stock. So I thought, right, well, that's it. I'll come and order one online. And as I do, like other people do, I like to be a savvy shopper. I went onto eBay, the second-hand marketplace, and found one of these that somebody had bought earlier this week, he told me, for the £135 from Argos. He bought it for still photographs. He's not a still photographer, a video photographer. It didn't really work for still photographs, so he sold it. Long story short, 60 quid. So less than half price, and he says it's been used a couple of times. So we're going to open it in this video, have a look around it, see what it does, and see what sort of results we can get with it with my mobile phone. Okay, let's have a look. So first thing to do, looks like you're going to have to download an app and then unfold it. Looks like it all folds up. Attach this to your mobile phone. It clips magnetically, and then put it in the DJI thing. If you've never seen one of these before, it's a gimbal, so it's basically a glorified tripod, and it's something to help keep your phone nice and stable when you are using it for videoing and bits and pieces. I'm assuming there's going to be some software in there. Long gone are the days you used to get a big cable and a software disk to put into your laptop. Let's have a look then. Let's see what individual parts we've got. This is the clip, the clasp that goes over your phone, and it's on like a spring hinge. I'm sorry my nails are so filthy, by the way. I've just been fitting a turbo pipe to an Audi. Yeah, okay, so that pings back and forward. Phone camera direction. So there is a special way that that fits, apparently. I don't know how that would make a difference. Probably just the way that it fits in to do with balance. You can see that it's got this lovely DJI logo on here, and it hasn't had much use. As you can see, it's still got the phone camera direction sticker on there. That's one piece. We've got the main actual gimbal in here, and one thing I do like about DJI products, I've got a few different things from them, is that they're so tactile. They feel so nice. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Get this out of here, tip this out of here. There's the bag. What was that? Oh, that was me Ring doorbell going off. There's someone at the door. Here is the actual gimbal itself. It's quite lightweight. It's okay. It weighs probably, I don't know, 500, 600 grams. Probably not even that. It looks like it folds out, and there's a locking mechanism here, lock and unlock. Okay, we'll have a look at that in just a moment. What's that say? Align the phone clamp and magnet. Okay, so there's a special way of putting that on there. What's this? There's something at the bottom here. What are these? If required, use the anti-slip pads on the mobile phone in the phone holder. Okay, so there's some pads in there. Do not eat. This is the stuff that you get. It doesn't even look like this bit's been opened. No, it hasn't. What's this bit? Let's open it up. Have a look. This, I think, is this is the bit I wanted, really. It's sort of like the handle, the tripod base as well. So this bit screws in, and you can put your phone on here and have it sort of on a stand, because this opens up. Let's open this up. This opens up like a little tripod, like that. and then this screws into it. That's the piece that I really wanted this for, so I can do pieces to camera and stand my camera up whilst I'm using it, and whilst I'm under a car, and whilst I'm filming bits and pieces, so that's really useful. Let's take a look in here. Well, there wasn't really overly much in there, and you can see that it's not been opened. There's a carrying case for it, which is quite nice. It's in this sort of Alcantara leather effect, and a USB-C charging cable, which again hasn't been used. I don't disbelieve the person when they say that they've only bought it recently and haven't used it. What I'm going to do is download the app, which is the Mimo app, and follow the instructions, get my phone in there, set it up. Whilst I'm downloading the Mimo app, I've plugged it in to charge. You've got this green charging symbol here. Yeah, so far I know not much more about this other than I've got it plugged in to charge. So I've got my phone now attached in the gimbal thing, up and down, left, right. You can see that it's much smoother here, and I can double center it sort of by tapping it like this, so I can have my phone up and down and left and right, and if I want to look at things I can use like a little trackpad to look at stuff and have a look at things like this. It's going to take me some time to get used to, I think. Yeah, definitely think it's going to take me some time to get used to. The app itself, actually, I downloaded and it just crashed straight away, which isn't a good thing. It's quite heavy, this is, and I haven't worked out how to... Oh! Okay, I can turn it side by side, so I can show you Misty, who's down here. Hello. Hello, Misty. And it looks obviously a lot smoother. Here she is, look. Ow! That's my leg! Ow! But it is a bit wily. What are you doing? Hello? I can get the phone in more places than I used to be able to, and it looks quite good with this sort of thing. This is John Coupland's hoovering up though. There we go, I've centralised it again. But I want to really work out how to... Oh, what's it doing here? Oh, it's doing something. Oh, there's lots of options. Hello. She's being cute. Oh, right. So, I can do it so I can just turn left and right, which is good. Left and right. I can change the option to all the way around. I can go up and around, and left and up, and oh dear, this making me feel a bit sick. So that's worldwide view. I can do, oh, that's cool. We can do a spin. Spin backwards. Spin forwards. So we can look at Misty and we can pretend we're in sort of a Christopher Nolan film as she goes up and round. And then put that back to normal. That's the setting I think we're going to have it on here. So can I now turn it to selfie mode? Yeah, I can. There I am. Look, there's me on selfie mode. Although I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Up and down, left, right. So we can see Misty there. Okay, fine. I think that's quite cool that I can hold it like this and this and show you about cars. And if I auto centralize it that way, then I can just tip it up and down. There I am. There's a button here. I don't know what it does yet. I haven't worked it out. But the thing should poke up and down like a selfie stick, and I haven't worked out how to do that yet. Let's turn it back to normal. You're getting a good view of my office today. And Misty as well. She's being very fussy. You're being a very fussy kitten today. That's the first part of that then. So as you can see, I've had a bit of a play about with the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Not overly impressed, to be honest with you, yet, but, you know, bearing in mind I've had it for sort of 15-20 minutes, I am sure there will be plenty of opportunities for me to use this. The tripod stand system is good. I can set that up in the garage when me and Dad are tinkering on something. I can stick my phone in and out and use this for time lapses and all sorts of stuff. For the sake of 60 quid, I'm glad I've bought it. Is it the sort of thing I'm going to be taking with me everywhere? No, probably not. Is it something I'm going to use for all my videos? No, but I am going to do a video with that on the channel just so you can see a difference and see if you can actually see a difference. There's loads of features on here I'm going to cover, but I just wanted to have a chat with you about this, basically, that I've bought it and that it is coming to the channel. Thanks to everyone who has supported me, because you've paid for this. My YouTube money has bought this gadget today. So hopefully you are okay with that. If you've enjoyed the video, thumbs up please, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and from Misty, who is fast asleep in the window now, take care and goodbye.